My Pinggang Pinoy series tanghalian for today, August 10, 2025. For fiber, I have pumpkin seeds, cucumber, and then greens, mga malunggay. And for fats, healthy fats natin, avocado, protein natin, fish. A small protein lang And of course, we have rice, then ang sabaw natin, siniparate ko na lang. This is a really good meal, no? It's really balanced. I can see it na it's balanced. Basta yun lang guys huwag na huwag kayong kumain ng mga rice alone in an empty stomach dahil siguradong mag-spike talaga yung blood sugar ninyo. So para maiwasan natin ma-spike yung blood sugar from carbs, unahin natin kainin itong fiber natin, then ito, tapos ito pa, malunggay, then healthy fats, tsaka protein. And higop-higop tayo ng sabaw. So tara, that's it.